All right, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do the oil pump. I'm going to have to pull the cam cover off. I don't really like the fasteners I got there, Phillips head type fasteners. I don't like them. They don't seem to torque very well. And one thing I forgot to do was check the cam gear end play. Check the cam again. Like I said, I got to pull the fasteners out anyway. So I might as well just take the cover off, and that way I can be easier to probably to do the oil pump, to hold that oil pump shaft in place when I put the gears in. So let's move over to the oil pump. I've already got the screws out of the cam cover, and I'm going to take that off. I haven't torqued it down, so I can really reuse the gaskets that's there. So, right, let's move over to the motor. Okay, so one of the things I got to do first is I got to put a new oil seal in here. And I thought I had one around here somewhere. Okay, we got it in that kit along with some other stuff. I actually got duplicates of some stuff. We got a new chrome-plated oil pump check cap. This is the spring relief valve, and then there's a new ball too, I think. Yeah, there's a new ball. There's also a ball in this kit, so I probably won't open this one. So we'll leave that for now. I got to put the seal in here first, though. All right, so I got a couple sockets here to start it. So let me pull this out again and make sure it's gonna go in there right. Like that. Is that in there? That's not in there right yet. Try this one. This is a little bit bigger. One more. So that looks like that is okay there. All right, so we got that done. What I got to do next? Okay, so we got to put some. I already got the key in. Now, I was under the impression, I don't know where I heard this from, that these keys are different. All three of these keys in the pump shaft in the back and are all the same part number. So I'm not sure why somebody was saying they're different numbers, because they're not really. So is that the thick gear? All right, so we want, those are the two thick gears there, or thin gears. Those are the two thin gears. Here's the thick gear, which is what we want for this. So let me put some assembly lube on this. Okay, so we just got this gear on with the key. Now we have to line this up. Actually, I got to put the gasket on. I forgot the gasket. Where is the long one? This one. Not too fond of these Mylar gaskets. All right, there we go. That. We get a little bit of white grease on there to hold this. There. Okay, we got that. Now we've got, this has to go on. So let me get some assembly lube in this. So we have to line this up now. That's my other light. There, all right. Cool. So now I've got to get that other key in there. What do I do with it? It's in here somewhere. One gear, 2 gears. All right, here it is. Okay. So we got that key, but I've got to put these springs in first. So this one. Okay, so we have this oil pump valve that has to go in here first. Put that in. Then we get the new spring. Probably nothing wrong with the old spring. That one goes in there like that. What's the washer on there? All right, so then I think we got this washer here. That washer there goes on top. And then we have I think the new cap. This might go for the other one, I'm not sure. This might be for the other side. Yeah, it is. This one is for that down there. So I'm going to have to reuse this one. So I'm not going to put any kind of thread lock on this because I want a new cap. So I'll just put that there temporarily. So on this side here we have, where is it? We have this ball here that has to go in. So that ball goes in there. And then we have this. I didn't get a smaller spring. That spring goes in there like that. And then this cap goes on here like that. So I am gonna probably get a new smaller spring. I didn't get it the first time. I'm not sure why it wasn't in the kit, but anyway, we got those on. I want the new chrome cap for here. I don't think I could find one well, they were out of them, one or the other. I don't remember, but all right. So now we got a new ball. Now we've got to put, where's that other gasket? Oh, we got to put the gears in. All right. So then we got this gasket that goes on like that. But first we got to get this other key in. So we're going to put some, maybe I can do it without it. We'll try it without it first. Forceps come in kind of handy for, probably eat my words on this one, but tilt it down a little bit. Then we'll put some lube on this, assembly lube on this. Wow, that went on pretty good. I'm surprised. Got a fly in here. Put some more assembly lube on this. There. let's see if this is gonna. Okay, cool. All right, so now we'll, okay, I got to get this clip, this little clip here, on the end of this pump shaft. Let's see if I can, easy as that's going to be to do, because it's just a clip. It's not a, let me get another. Okay, got that in. What a pain in the ass. I think I moved the camera. So what a pain in the ass it is to get that clip in. Because you got to try to hold this gear so it goes in that groove slot here. Okay, so it's not in all the way. There it is. All right. Okay, that's in all the way. Put the other gasket on. Put some more white grease on this. You don't really use any kind of sealer on these Mylar gaskets, but I don't know what's going on with this white grease. It's kind of yellow. But we'll put this on just to kind of hold the gasket in place. So we still got 4 acorn bolts for that. And there's some washers that I need to check out in the parts manual. So we're gonna have to go and do an order today for some stuff. All right, so we got this on. Just want to make sure that gasket is on right. Something's not right. Doesn't seem like this is, gasket's not right in there. All right, so let's try this again. Okay. It doesn't go up there. That's for the oil. Yeah, I don't know. They give you a couple extra keys, which I already had anyway. There's some, I think there's another washer that goes, like to give you this screw, I think, for the chain. Did they? Maybe not. Maybe they don't give it to you. So here is the oil pressure sender. We're not going to put that in today. We don't need to do that today. But let me see where... So I've got a big gasket. Okay, so that is going to do it for this video for the oil pump install. We're going to be doing the pistons, the rings, and setting the gap on the piston rings in next video. And hopefully we'll get the cylinders installed at the same time. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.